Assalamu alaikum. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Khawatino Hazrat Devyo or Sajno and Sajnote Mitro. Today I am making steaks. This is beef loin and I'm going to pound it with a mallet first. So, as you've all seen that I have seasoned it with salt and pepper and really coarsely ground pepper, and I'm going to make a really basic steak with only salt and pepper. I drizzled some olive oil so that the spices stick on the surface of the steaks, and I'm going to use my cast iron pan for searing the surface of the steak. I will be searing the surface of the steak so that it becomes really crunchy and tasty. And later, first I will sear it and then I will cook it with moisture. And this cooking technique is called braising. So let's start. Since I have to add moisture, I want to cook it in a lot of water or so that the moisture is locked inside the steak. So what I will do is I will make tomatoes as a source of moisture as well. So I have one big tomato and I'll put some water. I've had the surface nice and beautiful and appetizing and full of taste due to my reaction. Now I have put this water and now the steak is cooking. Steak is cooking on medium temperature.
screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Fake water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. Last night all I think about is you. Don't stop until you come on. Sometimes all I think about is you.
This is the basic steak recipe. Try this recipe and I'm sure you'll like this recipe. This is a very healthy recipe. It's part of the Mediterranean diet. I haven't used fries because fries are full of oil. I've just brushed some extra virgin olive oil on the corns and I've microwaved it, and the same goes for the steaks. I just brushed them with very little oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I cooked them in tomatoes, so that tomato was the source of moisture along with some water. I've added cilantro for garnishing, and this is a wholesome lunch and very healthy. There is and very balanced. It has protein, it has carbohydrates, it has some oil, and of course some vitamins and minerals from the cilantro. So try it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of the new videos. Like this video, share this video, and make life easy for others. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella. Hearts will play tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, like a gay tarantella. When the stars make you drool, just like a pasta fazool, that's amore. When you dance down the street with